Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. So as you can tell from the title, you're going to be spending an evening in my life, an evening with me. So the first thing we're gonna do to start off this evening is get into some cleaning. I do need to sort of like clean up the space. It's been a long work day and I need to just pick up after myself. So we're gonna get some cleaning done. Next, we're going to do a little grocery unboxing because we're gonna be making dinner tonight because I do have a guest coming over for dinner. So we're gonna be doing some cooking and maybe watch a movie and, you know, skincare, bedtime, that whole thing. So it's gonna be a fun-filled evening, I think. So yeah, with that being said, let's jump right in. Time for a little grocery haul. First up, we have some basil, have some thyme, and here I have, this is so random, but I found tamarind in my grocery store, so I decided to pick up some tamarind. Is it sweet tamarind or just tamarind? It just says tamarind. I hope it's sweet. You know what? Let's try one. So basically how it works is it looks like this, and you basically just take the hard shell off. And I'll show you what the inside of the hard shell looks like. And this is what the inside looks like, and basically just definitely sour. Next up, I have some mint. Next up, I got 2 Caribbean patties. I got 2 bell peppers. I got a cucumber and my watermelon. I got some feta cheese, some balsamic vinaigrette, and I have 2 things here of chicken thighs. So just something simple for dinner tonight, nothing major. I'm thinking of like a really like pan sauteed chicken, maybe some mashed potatoes, some green beans on the side. I already have green beans, so that's what I'm thinking for dinner. I did also stop by a local like little Whole Foods store because they have so many of those like in this area. So basically I got this homemade spaghetti. So it looks like this, and it's like packaging. So I think this is gonna be really, really good. It looks very, very good, and it cooks in 5 minutes. And finally, I just grabbed 2 seltzer water, yuzu, and I got the hibiscus rose. I just have some dessert, which is basically some cupcakes. So that's pretty much it for dinner. So And a huge thanks to Apostrophe for partnering with me today on this video. So now it's time to jump into our evening skincare routine, and I'm very excited to share that routine with you because I'm always getting asked what I'm doing to help my acne and clear my skin. So we're gonna jump right into that. And I just want to say a huge thanks to Apostrophe again for partnering with me today on this video. Apostrophe connects you with a dermatology team. So signing up was super simple. All I did was a virtual consultation. It'll include just taking photos of your skin from all angles. That way they can properly see what's going on with your skin and give you the proper treatment plan. Each treatment is unique because it is personalized and customized to you. So I like to start by taking off my makeup, and I'm just using a melting balm right now. This is just going to help to melt my makeup right off. This here is my personalized treatment. I will list all my ingredients on the screen for you. And it's to apply half pump to face nightly. I also notified my provider that I do struggle with body acne and body hyperpigmentation, and they sent in medicine for that too, which I'm super excited about because a lot of companies do not offer treatment for the body. And although it's nighttime, I want to just throw this in here so you guys do not forget, sunscreen is very important. Be sure to check the links in my description box to check out Apostrophe. And remember that with skincare, consistency is key. So I'm going to keep consistent with this routine, and I'll keep you guys updated on my results. So I'm going to start off with making the salad. It's going to be a watermelon, feta cheese, cucumber salad. I had this at that Hamptons party I went to. When I tell you this salad blew my entire mind, blew my mind. So I don't have like a proper scooper, so I'm gonna use like these measuring things, and we're going to make little circles from the watermelon. Yeah, just have to work with what I got because I do not have like a proper scooper, so we're gonna try to use this. We're basically just gonna make little circles from the watermelon. Oh, I don't really think this is gonna work out, guys. Maybe a smaller one. Oh, Lord. Okay. This is so messy already. Guys, it looks so bad, but it's fine. The watermelon is so juicy, as you can tell. I'm just gonna do multiple and just scoop them all out at once. Now my salad is ruined. Now let's chop up some cucumber. I forgot how the cucumber was chopped in their salad, but I think it was like just diced. I'll just do half. Should I cut the skin off? No. Wait, should I? I guess it'll add some, it's fine. I'll cut it off. And I'll just do little, you know, bite-sized pieces. So this is like the perfect summer salad. It's like perfect for guests and, you know, just very chill. I love mint. For a salad, it's very refreshing. Like, you're able to eat a lot. I'm gonna add a little black pepper to the salad, just a little bit. And now this is what the salad is looking like, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna just put that to the side for a bit. And I'm gonna take this like pan here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette in here. Pour it into this bowl. I wanna marry all the ingredients I just added together. You know, so every single bite you get will be watermelon, feta, mint, and everything. So for dinner, the plan was stir fry, but there was no bok choy or carrots in my refrigerator. I forgot to get those two very key ingredients, so I decided to season the chicken thighs as if I were going to brown stew it, but I'm not really going to. I'm just going to pan fry the chicken on both sides in my new cast iron pan. Then I'm just going to cover it so it can steam for a bit until it's cooked before adding in some veggies. But yeah, that's the plan for this dish. We definitely freestyled.